Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your dishwasher if you have this brand dishwasher. Now we're gonna take off this part and you will be able to take off the cleaner too, and after that there is another part, this part you will take it off too, and after you're gonna clean everything, make sure everything is clean. You see all dirties, and you can clean everything with hot water, and you will place everything inside the dishwasher after you finish to clean it. Now put the dishwasher in mode clean. That's it.